This Century 21 Purdum-Epperson Incorporated property video is presented by Paula Knight. Spacious open floor plan with kitchen, dining and entertaining space featuring a wall of windows with views of large tree-lined backyard and deck. This area is great for gatherings or family time as there is space for several tables plus a counter/cabinet for food and drinks plus storage space large enough to store 4 card tables and 20 chairs. Nice eat-in kitchen area abundant with cherry cabinetry plus an island. Formal dining room adjoins the kitchen eat-in area. The main floor also has covered front entry, foyer, family room with fireplace, primary bedroom with walk-in shower full bath, washer and dryer, an office, second full bath, and 23x8 bonus room with many possible uses, currently a quilting/craft room with big closet. Upstairs has tilt-out windows, 4 bdrs, 2 full baths. Basement with workshop, 2 finished rooms and storage. The home has a 2-car garage and storage shed. Gutter helmet with warranty. New AC 820. $90 fee each 6 mos. Community sewer.